The only expectation from you guys is to subscribe this channel. And also one more important thing, please do like the video because this really helps us to make more videos. Talking about the updates, the first update is from J Vernova. It is hiring for data scientist position and it is a Bengaluru based job. So you can read all the details here itself and apply it. Quite a good opportunity for freshers. Next opportunity is from Ecolab. It is hiring for software engineer position in same location, Bangalore, Karnataka. Here, experience with 3DX installation, configuration, system administration functionalities, and UI configuration management is required. So you can check the details. Also, you must have knowledge like Git, Azure DevOps, Jira, Confluence, Contour, etc. Also, you must know SQL queries too. So apply it and check all the details. This next update was actually on 18 hours ago, but now it has been closed. Why I am showing you this? Because you must watch the video as soon as it is posted, because the positions may close anytime and you may miss the opportunity. So keep watching the video as fast as possible. Next update is from Capita. It is hiring for test engineer in Pune. All the details are mentioned and skills related to testing are required. So check this out and apply it. Next update is from Autotam. It is hiring for software engineer position and this is totally a remote position. All the details are mentioned like you must know OOPS concepts, backend web development skills, software web development skills, etc. And a bachelor's degree in computer science is required. So check that out and apply it. Here actually experience is written, 5+ years of experience is required, but you can still check and try to apply it because freshers may be hired in this. So check that out. Next update is from TIAA. It is hiring for software developer position. So this is also an Pune based job and hybrid in hybrid mode. So check it out and apply it too. Next update is from Panasonic. It is hiring for SD1 for Python developer position. Here 0 to 3 years of experience is required. C++ programming knowledge is required. So all the details are mentioned. You can check this out and apply it. So these are all the updates for this video. You can check our previous videos too for some more updates and you are good to go. Thanks for watching.